Alrighty, they want us to multiply these two binomials, this one times this one. And it is a binomial, 1, 2 terms there, and 1, 2 terms there. Now, the big difference, if you notice for this question, is that not only do we have an x in the front, but we have a y in the back. Same thing here, an x in the front and a y in the back. And that's different that we have a variable in the second term, but the steps are still the same, and we still work the problem the same way. So multiplying two binomials, we are going to FOIL. All right, and that stands for multiplying the first two, the outer two, the inner two, and the last two. So let's go ahead and do it. First two, x times x. That's going to give me x squared. Outer two, x times 12y. X times 12y, well, that's 12 times x times y, 12xy. Inner two, negative 5y times x, and that's going to be negative 5y times x. We're going to put them in alphabetical order. It'll be xy. All right, you could also write it yx, but we always want to put them alphabetically. Okay, and if you don't write it like this, if you write it like above, then you're going to notice that these two are like terms, and they will go together. All right, let's do the last two. Negative 5y times positive 12y. Negative times a positive is a negative. 5 times 12 is 60, and y times y is y squared. Now, like with most foiling, we're looking to put the middle two terms together, and that happens here. 12xy minus 5xy is going to give me 7xy. Middle two terms will combine. Drop down the x squared in the front, and drop down the minus 60y squared in the back. Okay, so we're still foiling. The steps are still the same, but now we have two variables. We have an x and a y, but that shouldn't really be any different from what we've done before.